But the part that gets to me is like, when I'm reading the article at the end, it said, oh, he was pronounced dead at the hospital. Like, why would you take a motherfucker to the hospital after you shot him 16 times? You meant to kill him. You know? I mean, it's like, okay, we shot you 16 times. We took you to the hospital. We put you back, man. You're all right now, man. We had to shoot you 16 times. He was acting up. He was bugging out, son. He was acting crazy with that fucking knife. But, you know, we could have shot you in the leg. But we just decided to shoot you 16 times in the chest. So, like, you know, what I'm thinking to myself is, like, why did they waste the gas money? You know, like, I don't know, it just sounds crazy. Like, why did they take him to the hospital after shooting him 20 times? That's what goes through my mind. I want to talk about Polish girls. You know, for me from Brooklyn, they got a little section in Brooklyn called Greenpoint, and that's what all the Polish girls are. So, you know, like, whenever you want to try, like, the foreign pussy, man, you just, like, take the G train, you know,